model, 2016 Peugeot Boxer 2.2 HDIL 3H2 long wheelbase, moted 95k miles, excellent runner, no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 95,762. MOT, the 11th of March 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 4 hhb. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Starts and drives brilliant. Late no warning lights on the dash, loads of MOT ready to get in and go anywhere, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.